what up? 4-point spray back with another video. We're here with my boy Marky. Aquí chilling. So today we are working on his truck, and today my brothers are picking up La Lavada. So the single cab step side is ready, guys. Shout out to KHP. They did a badass job. I've seen it through pictures. We'll see it right now up close and personal once they get here. But for meanwhile, we're changing the coolant temp sensor on his because on these body styles, which is the 14 to 19, 14 to 18, no me acuerdo, 14 to 18, this style front end and that style front end, the coolant temp sensors go bad on them, and the E-fans stay on when you cut the truck off because it senses that it's too hot. So I already took off the hot air intake. The sensor is right there. So I gotta take out this pigtail. I'll do it right now off camera. I'll pull it off. I gotta let off the pressure of the coolant. We've been letting this truck sit for a little bit, so should be good. Should be good. Let me take out the cap. Así que we know there's no pressure. And then yeah, so all you need to do is take up the intake, and then you'll be able to expose it. You need a 3/4 inch socket and a couple extensions. So I think I did too much, but something's better than nothing. Let's get that popped off, and then I'll update you on a little bit. There you have it, ladies and gents. I just popped the plug off. All you have to do is squeeze the clip like that and pull it up. You get your 3/4 inch socket, put it over the sensor, pop it. Careful, because I was watching videos and these do have pressure sometimes, so I'm gonna need that rag, Marky, just in case. I don't think this one has pressure on it. No, yeah. Yeah, see it right there. Let's get the new one, güey. Ahí está, ¿no? O la tienes en el pocket. Oh, hold on, guys. Marky's getting the new sensor. It's not in the pocket. Go check on la caja, güey. La caja donde tenía la... Ahí en la entrada. Well, guys, we'll be right back. Oh, yep. There's a little bit of pressure on that motherfucker. So we're gonna put it out real quick and put the new one.
Few moments later.
Ya llegó el Marky con el nuevo. Ahora, güey, tú se la quito y ya se la meto. Oh, boy. There you go.
Wait.
What?
Did it have a...
See that copper gasket? Yeah, I hit it. Uh-oh. Hold the cam. Son of a bitch. Now we're gonna have to burp this motherfucker. Quedo, chavos. Let me get the rag real quick. Try to dry it up as much as I can. Okay. Clean off everything. Así quedó. Once again, we're gonna have to burp the system and make sure we didn't lose a lot of coolant, which I think we did a little bit better.
I'll get some more.
Run all Riley's real quick. Make sure everything's pretty dried up. Monta la pizza. No se mojó. Está todo good. Let's fucking put the hot air intake back. These plugs right here, they got the clips on the bottom on the right side. Just push it up, or just push it in. You push the clip in, and then you got this one on this side. There she go. Like that, and then you just get a 6-way. Take the bit off, and then tighten up the hose clamps. First one. And you get the one on the throttle body. Make sure you're seated right. And the good thing about these hose clamps, it has those rivets in it. The one that goes around the boot, or inside the boot goes inside them. I mean, que no se mueven. Y así queda, chavos. We're gonna have the truck turn on real quick, make sure it's not leaking, and then we'll fucking let it burp a little bit. We need to add some anyways, because look, it was low.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's get that, and then we'll update y'all right now. Y así quedó, chavos. We're gonna let it run a little bit, burp the thing, and then we're gonna go real quick to O'Reilly's and get some windshield wiper fluid for him, some brake fluid, and some fucking, let me see, is that top 3? Yeah, I think I have some of that right here. So we'll top up the brake fluid. We'll let it finish burping up the system a little bit. Let it run, and we'll update y'all right now. All right, guys, we're back from O'Reilly's. Shout out to the homie James and Jacob and all the homies that are over there. They're the normal customers. My boy's gonna top off the antifreeze. I'm gonna top off the brake fluid. I'm gonna top off the windshield wiper. Make sure this thing has all the fluids. You guys gotta check, man. You guys gotta take care of your shit. I popped this motherfucker's hood.
You think I'll do it?
It was low on everything.
It wasn't low on everything.
A la verga. Sí, let you know. Well, all right, ladies. Let me top off the fluids, and then we'll top off marking. A la verga. I'll be back. There it is, guys. Ya le echamos windshield wiper fluid, ya le echamos brake fluid, ya le echó coolant, el copo marking, le la llenó, and it's been burping for a little bit, so ya bajó la raya del pool. We're gonna let it idle till it gets to temp. Once it gets to running temp, the thermostat should open and it should breathe properly. Once we do that, the system burp, and then we'll top it off some more till it's all good to go. Other than that, that's it. We're done with this truck. We're done with my truck. I didn't shoot nothing on my truck because it was difficult. But yeah, my boy's truck is ready to ride. Next, spark plugs and wires. If he wants to do spark plugs on this one, he'll do that next. We're just waiting for the guys to get back. They're still over there with Kike. Once again, shout out to KHP for doing some badass work to my brother's truck. Can't wait to see it when they get here. We'll update y'all when it's here.
Why is the light on though?
This fool's just pulled up.
Plug the key forward.
Check it out, y'all. The little cinematic right now. They installed the nickel filter box. They hit everything pretty much. This shit looks good. My nigga Joe.
What up, what up?
That fool. Let me go on the other side real quick. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. So shout out to the KHP. Look at that nasty telaraña. They redid the nitrous kit as well. They put another nitrous button, the on and off switch, and then they got the left one is for the nitrous and the right one is for the two-step.
Opposite.
Oh, opposite. So backwards, whatever I just said. Check it out.
We don't want that open.
Let's do a little cinematic.
Trusting who we are. this way. Life is ours, we live it our way. Hold these words I don't just say, and nothing else matters. Trust I seek and I find in you. Every day for us something new. Open mind for a different view, and nothing else matters. Never care for what they do. Never care for what they do.
Alright, where they're gonna go tune the truck, and these guys are working on the battery. About to swap the battery out. This motherfucker's been sitting for a while. Papas Javi or what?
Papas.
Ex O'Reilly employees. Oh, employee. Más bien.
¿Y no le tenías que poner esa madre primero, güey? Y luego quitarle el fierro.
¿Cómo? ¿Qué?
Sí, güey.
¿Qué?
Go. Le sigo chingando aquí. Trucha, güey. Está agarrado en el fierro ese, güey.
Ya no. Come on, fool.
¿Ves lo que te... vamos a ver. Ya no tenía... ¿Así va bien?
Damn, what a fucking gangster, boy.
¿Por qué crees que lo tengo aquí el güey ahorita trabajando, güey?
Que no hace nada.
No, güey.
Alright, guys. Well, I should have strapped the GoPro to the white truck. I didn't think about it till now. But yeah, they're gonna tune it, or they're wrapping up the battery, chilling. We had a jam-packed day full of little stuff.
That's who took it.
What do you think about the drag pack?
No,
Should we keep it on there?
Yeah, remember you said...
I need a drop kit. If any y'all wanna give me something for Christmas, I'm a size 5'3" drop. But yeah, I'll update you on a few. And they're back. Let's see how it went. I was telling my brother and my dad I should have fucking strapped the GoPro on it. That way y'all seen the inside view. But on the next tuning video, of course, we got an 80 to put on that one. Damaged truck, the 60 still holding. I think it will be all right for a little bit. And then we got to tune my truck, the 4x4. Not this one, but the other one. How's she feel? Good? Good?
Hey, check
That was all motor tune or what?
Yeah.
So now that we got the Lincoln filter box, we're able to pull timing with the Lincoln filter. Got a red light. Huh? Yeah, the green light's blinking. That's for the nitrous or what? No, it's off. It's still off.
You might be activated with your brake, no? Brake.
Hit the brake? Nah, it's still off. It's on. It's on.
Is it set right there?
I don't think they said
Oh,
it.
yeah. That's,
Get that little flag.
yeah.
Put it in my room.
So we're gonna set the 2-step and check it out. But like I was saying, since we have the Lincoln filter box now, we can run all motor tune, and then whenever the kit comes on, the fucking timing will get pulled out for the nitrous tune. How's it feel, Joe? Real good? All right, I gotta go somewhere with my pops. We're gonna go pump gas on the truck because we're using this tomorrow. We have a Cap Summit Sunday. Y'all pull up on us. We're selling pins and hats, low life pins, check me out. That's how we support the channel.
Hit me up. You need battery swaps?
Battery swaps, yes sir. We'll be back. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I forgot to fucking film an outro and say goodnight. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see on the next video. Got my boys right here.
Comment.
Comment. What y'all want to see next? Woo! Well, boy got the pie. We just got done with dinner. Good night.
Here we go. I'm on that dope again. I'm on that flow again. Switch